Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. Your first question is complete the following series. The series given 4, 8, 24, 120, 840. Here a pattern is given. So which pattern? See the first two numbers 4 and 8. 4 into 2, 8. Then second two number 8 and 24. 8 into 3, 24. Then 24 into 5, 120. Then 120 into 7, 840. Here increases the prime numbers. First prime number 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. Our next prime number is 11. So our next number will be 840 into 11, that is 9240. Here given option C, 9240. Our next question is complete the following series 2, 6, 15, 31, 56. So here the given pattern is first two numbers, see the first two number 2 and 6. 6 minus 2, 4, that is 2 square, 2 into 2. Then 15 and 16. 15 minus 6, 9, 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Then 31 minus 15 equal 16, that is 4 square, 4 into 4. Then 56 minus 31, 25, that is 5 square. So similarly the next number will be 92. How? 92 minus 56, that is 36. 6 into 6. So our correct answer is 92. Here given option B 92. So our correct answer option B 92. Our next question is complete the series 34, 45, 57 question mark 54 and 43. See here 34 and 43. The reverse of 34 is 43. Then the reverse of 45 is 54. Then in question mark the reverse of 57. Okay. So see here 34, 43, 45 reverse 54. So 57 goes to 75. So our correct answer is 75. Here given option C 75. Our next question is in a row of 26 cards, when Sakshi shifted 4 places towards the left, she became 10 from the left end. What was her earlier position from the right end of the row? So see here in the explanation, here there are 26 girls. Sakshi is in 10th position. Total girls 26 and Sakshi is in 10th position. So that is Sakshi is 14th position from the left before shifting. Before shifting Sakshi is in 14th position. So 26 minus 14 equal 12. That is there are 12 girls before Sakshi. What? There are 12 girls before Sakshi. So her position was 13th from the right hand. So her position is what? 13th. So correct answer is 13th position. So here given option B 13th position. Our next question is identify the wrong number in the series 2, 4, 8, 14, 22, 30. So in this series which pattern follows? See here first two number 2 plus 2, then 4 plus 4, then 8 plus 6, then 14 plus 8, 22. Right? 2 plus 2 4, then 4 plus 4 8, then 8 plus 6 16, then 8 plus 6 14, then 14 plus 8 22. Okay, similarly 22 plus 10 32. Okay, so the wrong number is 30. So here the wrong number is 30. So the correct answer is option B, 30.